Hello guys, my name is Kate. I'm very glad to meet you all. Today I'm going to show how you can set up the Options Swatches feature with our Advanced Product Options extension. For that, please click the Demo Store button on our demo website and go to the backend. Here you will need to select our APO extension. Click OK and here we go. So you can work either following catalog products or stores manage option templates. So I will select manage option templates. You will need to create a new option template, and for that please click add new option template button. Here please insert the title, for example test, and here you will need to assign the product. For that please click reset filter and I will select my Linux product here. After that, please scroll down to the customizable options tab and click add option. Here please insert the option title, for example color, and this is important, please select the drop down option type and also please click is swatch here. It will transform your options into the swatches on the front end. Soon we will see it. So now please insert the title of your option value, for example pink, and click the images icon here. I will pick the color from this option, so I need pink, for example this, and click OK. Please click the image and insert, for example, base and replace gallery image here. After that, please click Save and Close. And I will add one more image. For example, blue, but this time I will upload it from my computer. Well, this is my blue image. I'm uploading that and clicking again the image, and here I will select Paste Tooltip and replace main gallery image roles. After that, please click Save and Close. And also, please open option settings here on the option level and select Replace Image Mode. It will help us to replace the main product image on the front end. After that, please click Save and Close and save our template. Now it's time to go to the front end. Let's find our Linux product. Open it. And here we can see our swatches. Well, as you can see, if I hover the mouse on the blue image, I will see this tooltip blue. So it works like a prompt for a customer. And if I click both of my swatches, I will see how they replace the main product image on the front end. So this is all for today. If you have any questions, please apply us via chat or Zendesk system. We will be happy to hear from you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.